Love doesn't fail first. Communication does. You know, it's funny how the city comes alive at night like this. Many couples love each other, but still argue. They talk every day, yet feel misunderstood. One person feels ignored. The other feels attacked. This problem is very common and very fixable. Most people think communication means talking. It doesn't. Communication means feeling heard, feeling safe, feeling understood. When those are missing, love alone is not enough. Communication fails when people talk to defend, not to understand. Emotions are ignored. Past issues are never resolved. Phones replace attention. Over time, small issues become big fights. Many people interrupt, raise their voice, use blame words, avoid hard talks. These habits close emotional doors. Let's dive into solutions that work. Number 1, speak without blame. Blame creates defenses. Instead of "you never listen," say "I feel ignored." Number 2, listen without planning a response. Most people listening to respond. Good listening means no interruption, eye contact, calm tone. Listening builds safety. Number 3, choose the right time. Timing matters. Avoid serious talks when angry, tired, distracted. Pick calm moment. Number 4, fix small issues early. Small issues grow when ignored. Talk early, talk calmly, talk often. Good communication doesn't mean no arguments. It means problems get solved, not stored. Even with good communication, many couples struggle with intimacy and sex.
In the next video, we'll talk about how sex slowly fades in relationships and how to bring it back.
Subscribe and follow closely for more. Beautiful evening, isn't it?